Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with BS. Primarily, we are so grateful for all your appreciation and love you all have showered on our previous video. We hope that it will help you grow your brand and business and achieve breakthroughs.
Alright, let's begin. On our talk show today, we have a special guest with us, but before we introduce her, we would like to address something important here. While building digital presence, crafting marketing strategies, fancy animation, catchy content, and in the hustle and bustle of the entire promotion process, we forget about the foremost secret of acquiring and retaining customers online.
That is UX design for an app or website. And if strategies aren't working for you, then UX could be the root of it.
Yes, absolutely. And let's give you some fun fact here. Companies like Amazon, Airbnb, they have initially channeled their investment not in advertising, rather in UX. Yes, user experience, which have propelled them into the multi-billion dollar league they are in.
Right, and that not many of us focus on. So let's get back to our guest. So today we have Vatsala Chaudhary with us on our first episode. She's a UX designer and has worked with companies like Ixigo, Future Group, and currently she's working with Khatabook.
A company that is India's leading ledger account management platform, the app that has been installed more than 10 million times, and that shows that how digital India is progressing. And Khatabook is growing its network day by day by offering and building utility solutions to over 60 million SMBs across the nation.
She's also an UX mentor for aspiring designers. So today we are going to talk about her experience, Khatabook's digital marketing journey, and how its UX created a seamless user experience that kept its conversion rates afloat online. So, let's grow with VS and Vatsala.
Hi guys, thank you so much for your warm welcome and inviting me to your platform. I'm excited, and yeah, as Kritika and Anjali mentioned, that I'm a UX designer at Khatabook looking for the core experience and engagement in the app. And they rightly explained the importance of the UX in any product or platform. So those who are not aware of the UX, this means user experience. So when a user comes to any app interface or website or any digital media platform, the type of experience they are getting there, whether they were able to understand the content, images you have provided, and they were able to complete the task in it, and was it a positive experience or it was like it was a total waste for me. And exactly that's what UX is. And about Khatabook's digital journey. So it wasn't way back when we started. Lately, our SEO optimization and influencer videos on different platforms, YouTube ads have helped us to change the marketing dynamics, and now we can reach to millions of our users in a single click. Talking about Khatabook, so you guys know that everything has been digitalized these days, but except one thing, that's leisure. For example, you have seen that many shopkeepers still keep records on pen and paper, but what happens to that? Sometimes it gets lost, sometimes it's torn off, etc., etc., and because of that, they have to face huge loss. Yeah, and this is a big problem for the merchants of our country. So that's how Khatabook come into role. And so basically Khatabook is a leisure application where you can keep your records, your transactions, and you can look for reports. And recently we have introduced payments as well there. And yeah, so in a nutshell, this is basically an application where you can do anything related to your business.
All right, super Vatsala. How vividly you have given us the context of Khatabook and your journey and telling us about the digital opportunities.
Right. And moving on, you know how Alvin Toffler has also quoted the importance of learning, unlearning, and relearning. And I believe as more and more brands, businesses, they're moving online, they're shifting online, it becomes much more vital.
So tell us how Khatabook inculcated the process in terms of UX designing, especially strategizing and marketing its customer base online.
So we always keep one thing in mind, that our users are not tech savvy like us. Okay, and so that we can't introduce anything like funky animations or floating interfaces. So we need to design the experience as simple as possible, and I guess that's the toughest job, design simplicity. And this is the thing about Khata book, it's very easy to use. Okay, and secondly, that we focus on our target audience, who they are. So we have realized that our users play lot of online video games, and they watch a lot of videos on TikTok, YouTube in their leisure time. So accordingly, we ran campaigns. We introduced our app on those online gaming platforms, and we then did some campaign on TikTok, and now I guess the source will be real for sure.
Wow, those were some really great insights for our viewers. So we strongly believe that a clear value proposition, not overloading customers with options, call to actions, basically making customers stay.
And also to understand why customers leave the app and website at the first place. The deal with the conversion rates and the uncomplicating the entire process and to optimize UX with Khata Book and its customers.
Yes, this is the one thing I want to focus upon. Since all of us know the ever changing search engine landscape has altered the way applications and websites run today. And hence, Khata Book has created an immersive user experience which not only have impacted the user engagement metrics but have added value to the digital marketing as well. And because regardless of the content, it's very important to provide your audience the fast, highly interactive and visually appealing virtual environment. And as I said before as well, it has always been our qualitative foundation for optimizing the campaigns and promotions to reach the niche.
Rightly said. And the alignment is so important for everything, for a satisfactory user experience. So lastly, Vatsala, what will be your tips that our viewers can leverage upon with combination of digital reach and user experience?
Yeah, and especially for people who are starting up a business where UX plays a crucial role, and maybe for aspiring designers, because in the end it's about retaining customers, ROI, and increasing conversions. So, what's your take on that?
Okay. So, firstly, it's research. It's extremely important to know your users. You need to know their behavior, what their day look like, what type of languages they speak, their education, family background, etc. And this will help you to build a user-friendly experience, and only then they will feel connected to your platform. So, for example, our TJ doesn't understand terms like credit or debit, and hence we have introduced some familiar words like you will give or you will get. Yeah, and secondly, it's market research. Always be aware what's going on in the market, what type of products are there, how they are solving the problem, and then definitely you need to do better than them. Okay, and thirdly, it will be execution. So always know that for whom you are designing. Yeah, and you have to make sure that it's very easy and simple, and in such a way that it becomes a habit for your user. And everybody knows that it's very difficult to leave a habit. Okay, and lastly but most important, it will be consistency. So be consistent in terms of experience, as a consistent experience is much better than just an experience. Yeah, so be patient, things will fall for you. And as I have mentioned earlier, that a positive user experience is vital for your digital success journey and to make your web or app a reliable marketing tool.
Well, that was some wholesome knowledge about your and Khata Book's digital and UX journey. We all are taking back a lot of learnings from this interview. And on this note, we would like to end our talk here. Thank you so much, Vatsala and Khatabook, for joining in and helping our viewers and us with such insightful information and tactics.
Pleasure that I could contribute, and I hope I was helpful.
You sure were, Vatsala. And all of you out there who have any queries related to UX designing and how it will help you grow digitally, you can please leave your queries or questions in the comment section below. And do like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel for more such updates. Hope you grow with the VS.
Signing off.